Welcome to our channel Health Mantras. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Welcome everyone. Today we are discuss regarding of the Kushta. Now we discuss about the Nirukti of the Kushta. क्षणात निशेषेण विलेखन करोति अंगम प्रत्यंगानि इति कुष्ठम. According to Siddhanta Kaumudi, Kushta is a condition in which different body organ dhatus upadhatus are destroyed and contaminated. According to Ashtanga Hridaya Nidana Sthana 14 chapter 3rd shloka, त्वचा कुर्वन्ति वैवर्ण्यं दुष्टां कुष्ठं मुष्यन्ति तथा. One which produces discoloration all over the body region is called as kushta. Now we discuss regarding nidana of kushta. विरोधी अन्नपानानि द्रवस्निग्ध गुरुनी च भजतां मागतां छर्दि वेगश्चान्यं प्रतिघ्नतां व्यायाम अतिसन्तापम् अतिभुक्त्वो उपसेविनां शीतोष्णलङ्घनम् आहाराणां क्रमं मुक्त्वा निषेविनां धर्मश्रमभयार्ताणां दरुतं शीत अम्बुसेविनाम् अजीर्णम् अद्यशीनां च व पंचकर्म उपचारिणां. According to Charaka Chikitsa Sthana 7 chapter 4 to 8 shloka, Viruddha Annapana, excessive intake of drava, snigdha and guru dravya, restraining natural urges like vomiting, etc., exercising or coming in contact with excessive heat after eating excessive quantity of food, etc., having cold water immediately after exposure to sun, exertion and fear, eating uncooked or raw food or having meal although previously taken meal have not been digested, indulging in food and other habits which have been restricted during Panchakarma. Now we discuss regarding Samprapti of the Kushta. Nidana Sevana leads to Tridosha Prakopa. These three doshas spreaded in Tiryakagata Shiras. That leads to Visheshan of the Tvaka, Rakta, Mamsa and Lasika. That leads to Dosha Dusha takes Sthana Sanshraya in Tvaka. That leads to Mandalotpatti. This Mandalotpatti is known as Kushta. Samprapti Ghataka, Dosha, Tridosha, Dusha, Tvaka, Mamsa, Rakta, Lasika, Shrotas, Rasa, Rakta and Annavah Shrotas, Shrotodushti, Sanga, Agni, Jatharagni, Udbhavasthana, त्वक मांस रक्त लसिका संचार स्थान सर्व शरीर व्यक्त स्थान त्वक एंड मांस रोगमार्ग बाह्य रोगमार्ग साध्य असाध्यता कृच्र साध्य. कुष्ठभेद कुष्ठानि सप्तविधानि अष्टादश विधानि अपरिसंख्येय विधानि च. चरक निदान स्थान 5th chapter 4th shloka. Kushta can be classified into 7 Mahakushta and 11 Kshudra Kushta, that is Ashtadasha Kushta. Now we discuss regarding Lakshanas of Kushta according to dosha. In Vataja type of Kushta, Roksham, Shosha, Shula, Sankochana, Parusham, Kharabhava, Harsha, Shavavarna, these all Lakshanas are seen. In Pittaja Kushta, Daha, Raga, Parisrava, Paka, Visragandhi, Angapatana, these Lakshanas are seen. In Kafaja Kushta, Shvetaya, Kshataya, Kandu, Utsedha, Gavrava, Sneha and Kleda, these Lakshanas are seen. Differential diagnosis of the Kushta: psoriasis, eczema, pustular psoriasis, atopic dermatitis with hand dermatitis. Now we discuss regarding Chikitsa of the Kushta. सामान्य चिकित्सा सर्व त्रिदोषजं कुष्ठं दोषाणां तु बलाबलं यथस्वेद लक्षणे बुद्ध्वा कुष्ठाणां क्रियते क्रिया दोषस्य यस्य पश्येत कुष्ठेषु विशेषलिंगम् उद्विक्तं तस्यैव शमं कुर्याताः परं च अनुबन्धस्य. According to Charaka Chikitsa Sthana 7 chapter 31 and 32 shloka, all kushtas are tridoshaja, so they should be treated by knowing three dosha bala, abala and lakshanas. First do shamana in those kushtas who are having their increased doshas, then treat apradhana doshas. Chikitsa Sutra. Vata उत्तरेषु सर्पी वमनं श्लेष्म उत्तरेषु कुष्ठेषु पित्त उत्तरेषु मोक्षो रक्तस्य विरेचनं च अग्रे वमन विरेचन योगाः कल्पोक्ताः कुष्ठीनां प्रयोक्तव्या. Vataja Kushta treated by giving Sarpi, Kafaja Kushta treated by giving Vamana, and Pitta Kushta can be treated by doing Rakta Mokshana and Virechana. Suppose a line of treatment of Kushta, Sneha Panavita Mahatikta Grita, Sarvanga Abhyangavita Marichadi Taila, Virechana with a Trivrut, Danti and Trifala with Savvirika, Manjishtadi Kvata, Tandula Lepa, Unmata Taila for external application, Dhatura Bija Kalka Lepa, Kanaka Bindu Arishtavit, Krutamala Kvata. Shamana Yogas of the Kushta. There are innumerable Shamana Yogas mentioned for Kushta in the form of Churna, Vati, Leha, Kashaya, Asavarishta, Rasha Aushadhi, Lepa, Taila and Grita. Chikitsa Yogas, Darvi Kalka or Churna with Gomutra, Rasanjana with Gomutra, Abhaya, Vyosha, Guda, Tila Taila for 1 month, Patoladi Kvata, Lelitaka that is sulfur with Jati that is Amlaki Swarasa mixed with honey internally intake.